Hey guys, Noct here from Craft Effects with another Linux tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to just make this really brief and really quick. I'm going to show you guys three directory commands when using Linux. Those of you who aren't familiar with Linux at all, I'd recommend going out and just, it's free since it's open source and it's also free. So if you have a virtual machine like VirtualBox or that other one that's popular. Any sort of virtual like emulator, I'd recommend trying out Linux. It's really awesome, really simple. I don't think it has enough. It's very underrated in my opinion. I don't think it has enough recognition as it deserves. Um, so with that said, I'm gonna make this quick. So let's go ahead and go over our commands. So the first command. Oh, by the way to get to the open the terminal aside from the dash. This is a nice little quick tip. Control Alt T if you're using Ubuntu. Control Alt T will open up your terminal. So the first command I want to show you guys is the PWD command, which means print working directory. And what that's going to do is it's going to show you the directory that you're in. In this case, I'm in my user directory. So that's that command. The next command is the ls command. I don't know what ls means, but what it does is it lists, as you can see, it lists the contents of whatever directory is specified. And when you don't specify a path, it's going to list the contents of the directory that you're in. So this is the contents of my user directory. And interesting to note, the blue, the highlighted in blue means that it's a directory. So everything that's blue is a directory, another directory inside of a directory. It's cool like that. The things in purple are media files. These are video files I already know, OGV. And the things in white are just, I assume, just any other kind of files. Like if you have like text documents, or I think these in particular are Audacity files. I think AUP is Audacity, I think. So that's what those are. Not really relevant, but let's move on. So the last command I wanted to show you guys was the change directory or CD command. Now that if you've used command prompt in Windows, it's the same. It works the same in this as it does in that. If you CD space and you specify the path, you can change directories. Or if you press CD in Linux, I don't know about. I haven't actually tried this with Windows, but I don't know if it'd work or not. But in Linux, if you type in CD space desktop with a capital D, by the way, because it's case sensitive. I don't know why it is. It's funny because only desktop is case sensitive. Because you look up here at the working directory, these are all lowercase, but desktop is like the only one that's that's capitalized at the first letter. Going back to the point, if I were to enter this, now I'm in the desktops directory. So basically my desktop. Now let's say I want to look up the contents of my desktop. Well, remember the second command we learned, ls. So you can see this directory is within the desktops directory. Another cool thing is if you just type in cd wherever you're at, whatever directory you're in, it'll revert you back to your user directory or your standard like username directory, or like if you're like using Windows, it'd be the equivalent of like the library. Yeah. Another cool thing is if you know the path, you can also change directories to a specified directory if you know the path. So /home. In this case, I'm going to go into that Minecraft folder over there. I would type in home, Nachtfish. That's gonna work. My name, the capitalized desktop, and then the Minecraft folder. Now I'm in that directory. So yeah, that's pretty much it. One more cool little tidbit is if you type in cd space dot dot, it'll actually take you up one directory. So you can see now I'm in the desktop directory, and if I do it again, it'll take me up another one. Now I'm back to the user directory. If I do it again, it will take me up another one. If I do it again, it'll take me to the root. So now I'm in the root and I can't go any farther. I'll show you. So you can't go any farther because you're at the core already. But if I type cd again, it'll revert me back to the user directory. I hope that wasn't too confusing to anybody. I know I don't really have the best way of narrating without like a script, and so hopefully that'll help you take a little be a little easy on me because I suck at improv, but that's what I'm doing. But the reason I'm doing it, you may be thinking, why is he doing improv if he sucks at it? It's not very professional. So I'm gonna tell you, shut up. No, but I'm trying to get better at it. So this is probably, to my opinion, the best way to get practice is also to receive feedback. So yeah, so you guys just be with me on this journey as I progress and learn with me because I'm a beginner myself and I'm learning. So I just thought I'd share with you guys what I learned. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out our other videos. Leave a comment, share, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. But thank you for watching and have a good evening or day, depending on what side of the world you're at. On. Yeah. All right, later.